My colleague Tejas Mehta spoke to a nurse at the Dehradun hospital where that 3-year-old survivor is undergoing treatment. The 3-year-old whose parents are missing and who suffered grievous injuries in the floods.
Tears have been continuously rolling down the cheeks of this 3-year-old child, her wailing reverberating across the trauma room here in the Dehradun hospital. This 3-year-old girl has been found missing, found with both her legs fractured, and she has now been admitted here at the trauma center at the Dehradun hospital. No one knows who are her parents, no one knows what's her name. She has absolutely no idea where she is. Sister, बताइए कि कैसे किन हालातों में इनको पाया गया था?
ये जो श्रद्धालुओं को लेकर आए होंगे उनके साथ में ये भी इस बच्चे को भी लाया गया होगा। जब वहाँ पे सब चले गए, सब एक दूसरे अपने अपने जानने वाले अपने अपने पेरेंट्स अपने अपने बच्चों के साथ निकल गए, तो ये बच्चा वहीं रह गया। तब पता चला कि इसके साथ कोई नहीं है, तो एसपी ने जो है वहाँ पर चाइल्ड केयर को जो ऋषिकेश में है उनको जो इन्फॉर्म किया, वो आए, वो लेके बच्चे को ऋषिकेश हॉस्पिटल गए, उन्होंने यहाँ के लिए रेफर कर दिया। यहाँ आने के बाद मंडे को ये आए थे, मंडे से इसकी देख रेख शुरू हो गई है।
मगर ये जो पैर उनके टूट गए हैं कि जब आपको मिला था, आपको मिली थी तब दोनों हाथ प्लास्टर थे कि आपने लगाई?
ऐसे थे, यहाँ आके इसका एक्सरे हुआ है, तब पता चला फ्रैक्चर है, तो ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन देख रहे हैं, उन्होंने इसमें जो है कास्ट बांधा है। अभी तो कच्चा प्लास्टर है, उसके बाद हो सकता है दोबारा एक्सरे होके वो जो है पक्का प्लास्टर करेंगे। और इसके सर में भी एक चोट आए या निशान है, तो कल हमने इसकी सीटी भी कराई, तो सीटी नॉर्मल है। डॉक्टर दिव्य तिवारी, हाँ जी,
मगर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं
है, सीटी क्लियर है। डॉक्टर दिव्य तिवारी यहाँ पर न्यूरोसर्जन है, उनके अंडर में उन्होंने भी देखा, और पीडियाट्रिशियन है डॉक्टर DS रावत, तो वो भी देख रहे हैं।
कोई भी सामने अब तक आया? क्योंकि उनके कोई पता नहीं चल रहा है, नाम नहीं बोल रही है,
नहीं पता चल रहा है। बहुत संस्थाएं आ गए, बहुत सा तो कह रहे हम इसको एडॉप्ट करते हैं, परंतु जो है अभी यहाँ पर रखना, क्योंकि ट्रीटमेंट में है, अंडर ट्रीटमेंट है, और इसके लिए जो है अलग अलग संस्थाओं से कोई टॉयज ला रहे हैं,
सब लोग लाए हैं यहाँ,
कोई टॉयज ला रहे, कोई खाने का ला रहे, कोई दूध ला रहे, पर किसी चीज की कमी नहीं है। कमी है तो सिर्फ इसके पेरेंट्स की।
And for more on that story, let's now go across to my colleague Tejas Mehta, who joins us live from Dehradun. Tejas, what a heartbreaking story that a 3-year-old child who's been rescued, but she's found in this condition where she suffered grievous injuries, fractures in both her legs, and worst of all, she's all alone, no sign of her family anywhere at all, and the hospital says she just can't stop crying. Clearly, even the hospital doesn't know what to do at this point.
Well, yes, when she was admitted, she was crying continuously. It was a completely different environment for her, and the trauma of what she had undergone was, of course, overwhelming for her. She is, mind you, both her legs are fractured, and she has a slight injury on the head too. But beyond the physical injuries is the trauma, the experience of, getting washed in those floods, and then ultimately losing her parents too. Yes, she is here at the hospital. She has no clue, first of all, where is she, what's gone wrong. She's too young for that. She doesn't even, in that sense, recollect, perhaps consciously, her parents. She can barely speak. The only words I heard from her was when one of the nurses was injecting medication into her. At that point of time, of course, every young child would start crying. She began wailing and weeping. And, at that point of time, the first words which came out from her mouth were "Ma." And therefore it does appear that she is somewhere from the north of India itself, but absolutely no one has come forward as of now. It's just 2 days that she has been admitted here. A minister too yesterday had come down to the hospital, government Uttarakhand minister, to inquire about her, and also the Anganwadi workers are taking good care of her. Yes, she's been taken wonderful care of, but as you are pointing out, it does reflect the larger tragedy of this horrific disaster here in Uttarakhand. It has affected so many lives beyond just of those who are dead. It's the story now of those who are missing. Just in the case of the story Barkha was reporting on, Bubbly, no one knows where her relatives are. Same way here in the case of this little girl, no one has named her anything as of now. They call her lovingly Munni. She often smiles, she often laughs, but no one really knows who her relatives really are. Therefore, they've appealed, they've given out a number to, we can contact the Doon hospital. Somebody who has seen her before, somebody who knows who her relatives are, can contact the Doon hospital here in Dehradun.